So there's a new image model in the market called Popcorn, and it's pretty hyped these days. And let's be honest, it should be. It's people are actually comparing it with the Nano Banana model, and apparently people are actually saying it's much better than Nano Banana model. It can generate storyboard type of stuff, and you can animate it too. So this is gonna be a very interesting video where I'll show you different examples, what kind of videos, images you edit here, and what kind of website and tool you can use to generate such images. I'll tell you this is a free, so yeah, stick till the end of the video. I'll walk you through every step one by one. I'm Aditya and you're watching Skill Curve. So simply let's go to the main page of Higgsfield Popcorn blog page, and you can see the Popcorn. I think this name is itself is a difference from Google's Nano Banana model. Well, we cannot be sure about it, so let's simply go to the main blog and see some of the examples, and then we will test it out by ourselves too. So as you can see, the blog says the first you have to upload image, then you have to give a prompt, and boom, you'll get the image. Okay, that's simple. Okay, let's see some of the example on their blog page. So we have a product promo. So this is a good example, I can say. So this is our product called, I don't know what exactly it is, radio or whatever it is. So what we're doing is, I think it's a cassette player, radio player. Yeah. So you can see we generated different kind of product images where the people or kids are using it. Some of using it in their balcony, some are using it as a, okay, so this looks seriously good. I think the image itself, the image quality itself looks very realistic. Look at these kids, the hair reflection and some of the sunlights make it much more authentic. So I can say the model is generating really realistic photos, which I'm very surprised, by the way. Okay, so they have also motivational theme. Okay, so let's see what kind of storyboard we have here. Okay, so the image storyboard we can see here is this lazy guy, someday decides to actually tie shoes and starts to running, and even he starts to running and then he gets free. So what you can see is this image model is insanely good at generating storyboard stuff. So, and this can be really useful maybe in the future if you need some of the video where we can use this model to generate VO3 storytelling. Please let us know in the comment section. Okay, so yeah, this looks good. This looks seriously good. I can say right now I am very much excited to try it out. Let's see another example. So there's an animated movie example where you generated almost 12 scenes. So let's look at this. Okay, so this looks almost like a Disney Pixar 3D animated cartoon movie, and okay, the color saturation surprises me. Like the little bit bluish and orange tone reminds me of the Transformers old movies, and this looks seriously good. Look at this character, is pretty consistent all over the place. Like look at her eyes, look at the way she's driving. Okay, her face. Okay, the details are really consistent here, and I think I'm already in love with this model. Now we have to try it out by ourselves, and let's see if it's even good with the actual human, or maybe it's just simple gimmick. Okay, so we just scroll the blog and you can see some of the features, like you can limitless story generation, multi-angle shots, deep story consistency, and yeah, so also you can export it to the Sora 2, but again Sora 2 is very complex in itself. Okay, so let's see the face swap feature first. So yeah, you can actually face swap yourself with this model. So that's why I think people are actually comparing with the Google's open Nano Banana model. Look at this guy, I don't know, driving car or whatever spaceship, and it suddenly got replaced and face swapped with this woman. Okay, I think these features are actually making it more like image editing model. Like look at this black woman suddenly converted into the Chinese woman. Okay, both looks really good. Like you can see the background is staying consistent, the entire attire looks consistent, the headphone, I don't know what kind of attire is this, but totally looks good. Okay, I can say right now the image consistency is still, I'm surprised. So you can say style swap. So this is a Pixar 3D kind of animation cartoon we just converted into the anime. And okay, I think there is some kind of substantial evidence I can see in this blog page. Look at this lighting change. So we can also change the lights of your images, make it more aesthetic. So if you're someone who uses a lot of Instagram images, aesthetic stuff, Pinterest stuff, I think this model can actually make your life much better. For example, look at this guy having different kind of theme, lighting, blue light, yellow light, natural light. So I think it can even use for creators who want to do that. Okay, once we scroll blog, you can see different kind of stuff. I think this is useless. You can this is some pricing, and the pricing it's okay. I feel the $9 month is pretty good. Now we have to go to the main page and test it out. So you can click on the try it frames, and once you click on here, you'll see a simple web page which is okay. This looks almost like ChatGPT and basic AI interface, but here are something we need to talk about. There's auto mode, there's a minimal mode, and I'll talk about this one by one. Okay, so first, the auto mode is like you describe one prompt and it will generate automatically the rest of the story stuff. So for example, you can generate 4 results, 8 results, 5 results. Okay, that's good. For example, let's click on one result first to check out what exactly how it is. Okay, so here you can upload 4 maximum image. I'll upload just one image to test it out. Okay, so I downloaded a Brad Pitt image from the Google, and what I did is very funny. I just said make him in a video game. That's a very basic prompt. I know it's not detailed, but soon I'll test it with the detailed prompt too. Now once we click on the generate free button, we get this. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Honestly, this looks really good. It's the same as I think Nano Banana would do, and I think Nano Banana would do worse. I think this Higgsfield model has some kind of potential I can see right now. So if I just say he's in the video game, and look at the basically reflection on his face. We can see the blue and the basic cyberpunk type of gaming style. We can see some of the Mandarin on the boards. However, it's not very clear. So this model is pretty much not very good with text, but that's okay since it's in the beginning. Okay, so I can say right now this is good. Once you click on upscale, you can upscale this image, but I think this is more than enough to know what kind of model we are using. Now test it out with much better prompts. Okay, so let's use better image. For example, I've downloaded an image of a guy from just basic basic pixel and all that stuff website for stock images to test it out how it looks on human. So this is the guy I captured from basically from the Unsplash, a very website from stock images. So what I did is just simply uploaded here, and what I did here, it just said the simple just made 4 results, so it just looks better optimal. And what I did, just make him in the video game. That's it. Once I did here, just simply click on generate, and guess what we get. So we can see he's in the video game, and the 3 images are already here. Okay, so I selected 3 images, and this is also looks really good. Like, look at this guy. Okay, this looks good. I generally think Nano Banana could do better, or maybe not, but again, I think it's still good. So this is a different kind of game. What I can see is this model has diversity, so it's just not doing same thing again. It actually go and different type of genre of game. For example, this is a spaceship game. And okay, let's see, this prompt was not very detailed. Let's check it out with different prompts. So I go and say it again, he is crashing cars, and look at this now. What I did this time is I clicked on it manually, and now I give 3 different prompts. For example, he is crashing car, he is enjoying it, and he is doing corporate stuff. So you can see different images. For example, now so he is in the car crashing, and for example, look at this, he's enjoying vacation. So what you can tell is the face consistency is pretty good. Like, look, compare both images and you can get it right now. So if I say he's in a company working, so I can say right now this model has some insane capabilities of consistency, which I cannot deny. And the human generation, look at his hands, they are really hairy, they are really realistic, I could say that. Okay, so now let's test it out some products too. Okay, so what I did is I just downloaded an image of a Pringles. Yes, so what I did is very simple. I downloaded an image of a Pringle, and I did simple product showcase. Okay, I said showcase this product in different place. So this is the image I downloaded, and look at the images first. So first image we got is this Pringle snacks in the very kitchen with the pizza, and I don't know with this leaves. And another image we got is this in the picnic spot, I guess. So I can say with the basket and all that stuff, this looks seriously fresh. Like, the product placement is insanely going very high. So if someone who wants to create different kind of product for their product showcase video, I think this model is more than enough, if I can say that. Okay, so let's test it out with another product. So I downloaded another product, by the way. So if you don't know, so I just downloaded Lay's image. So I just said, hey, just give me a Lay's image, and I prompted a little bit more here. So I said create a high quality commercial product showcase of using the uploaded photo Lay's chips. The scene looks like a professional advertising shoot for snacks brand. Highlight the product and the main hero in the frame, ensuring it looks crisp, clean, and all that appetizing stuff. I can say it looks good. Okay, you can see right now this Lay's packet looks insanely real. Not only this, I tested out different flavors. So this is in the kitchen, I guess, with a table. You can see the product itself with the chilies and lays. Another image I tested with the picnic ground, and this looks seriously good. So what I can say is the product placement is also really good, which makes it very consistent model. So yeah, I think if you're someone who's willing to check a new different model better than Nano Banana, I think this model can actually do wonders for you. Not only this, I tested another thing. For example, I take the same guy image which I told you from this Unsplash, and I said make a LinkedIn headshot, and this looks good. On a serious note, I said make him a professional LinkedIn shot. So if you're someone who's wanted to create a LinkedIn headshot for yourself, I think this model can do wonders for you. So I think this model is going places. So what do you think about this model? If you ever tried this model, just let us know in the comment section. We'll love to know that. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.